we are going to do graphic practice. So in your materials that you got to take home from school, you got a whiteboard and you got a marker. So if you want to get those out, I will wait. Do not take your lid off your marker. Take your board and put it in your lap, and we are going to wait for a minute. We're going to wait for everybody to have their board. And while we're waiting, I'm going to explain why we're doing this. We are doing graphic practice so that we can learn how to follow directions, so that we can learn self-regulation. Everybody got their boards out? Okay. Here comes your directions. Your board is always going to be in your lap. Okay? Do not take the lid off your marker until I say so. Board in lap, marker in hand, holding it up. One thing that's very, very important, the only thing you are going to use this marker on is your whiteboard. This is your whiteboard. Marker will only go on the whiteboard, nothing else. Okay? Good. So, when we do graphic practice, we are going to learn how to draw things. And when we do that, we are going to be listening to music, nice soothing music. So, the only time that you will draw on your board is if you hear the music. When you don't hear the music, you stop and your marker goes up. Okay? Are you ready to try? Okay, let's try. I'm taking my lid off my marker, and you're going to put it on the end like a little hat so you don't lose it, okay? Now I'm going to use this board so that you can see what I'm drawing. You're gonna still have your board in your lap. So the first thing I'm going to draw is a line. And I start from the left, and I'm gonna go right. And then I will return sweep, which means come back over here and start over, okay? You should not be drawing yet. You're just seeing what I am drawing, okay? Now let's try it with some music. The music stopped. Marker up. Stop. Marker up. Take your lid, pull it off, put it on nice and tight because you don't want it to dry out. And then you can take a sock, a tissue, a piece of toilet paper, whatever you wish, and erase your board. I'm going to use my eraser though. Make sure you get all the marks off. So graphic practice teaches us to follow directions and self-regulation.